So dermal fillers is an injectable that we use cosmetically to do a lot to enhance the beauty and youth of the face. Over the last 10 years, I've developed an expertise with dermal fillers, and patients come to me and trust me to create a very natural and artistic effect. Patients that see me, they're really concerned that they'll still look like themselves. They're worried that they might look unnatural. And I meet with the patient and come up with a plan and get their input and respect their input and use my artistic skill to turn back the clock with these excellent dermal fillers that we have. They really are a critical part of anti-aging. We can use them to restore contour and volume that's lost as you age. We can create lift with dermal fillers. Other things that people don't really think about with the fillers, they can hydrate the skin. So your skin looks a little prettier, shinier, reflects light better, and that really helps restore youth. We can also use it to stimulate collagen. So I often, in a consultation or as I treat patients, let them know that what we're doing is going to pay off for them down the road, because these skin fillers, when they're in the skin, they do stimulate the skin to create collagen. They wake up the cells in your skin that create collagen. So it's kind of a win-win. You get an immediate effect. It's very pretty and natural. And then over time, I know that what we're doing is helping your skin work for you by creating new collagen. We can also use these fillers to help us with crepey skin, the little dynamic lines that happen lateral to the mouth when you smile. When we put filler in there, we can create a buffer between the skin and the underlying structures that diffuses some of the intensity of these lines, and then it stimulates collagen. I think many people are afraid of fillers, and I encourage them to open their mind to it and approach it with me, and we'll have an honest discussion, and let me use my artistic skills and my expertise to recreate for you a more youthful look and turn back that clock. It will reap mounds of awards for you because it has so many benefits in terms of contour, volume, lift, collagen renewal, and hydration.